Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way on how to build a custom ordering site. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Jotform. Jotform is a web-based service that allows users to create and manage online forms for various purposes, such as collecting registrations, payments, surveys, and more. Jotform offers a drag-and-drop form builder, over 150 integrations with popular apps, and a variety of templates and themes to customize the forms. And you also get the free account that you can test out for yourself. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Jotform. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account or using your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be directed to your Jotform account. Now, to build a custom ordering site in Jotform, start by clicking the Create Form button located either at the center or at the top left side of the dashboard. This will present you with 4 options: Start from scratch, Use template, Import form, and Create signable document. For this tutorial, we will select the Use Template option to utilize a pre-built template. Upon selecting the Use Template option, you will be directed to the template library within Jotform. The templates in the library are categorized and can be accessed from the left menu. You can browse through these categories or use the search bar to find a specific template. In this case, we will search for the keyword Custom Order to see relevant templates. Once the search results appear, choose the Custom Order Form template. Click on the Use Template option to enter the editor. In the editor, you have the ability to manage and customize the chosen template according to your preferences. Make necessary modifications to tailor the template to your custom ordering site. Once you have customized the app to your satisfaction, navigate to the Publish section. From there, you can choose to share or embed your form. By clicking on the Copy Link option, you can easily copy the link to your form and share it with others. Alternatively, you can select the Open in New Tab option to view the form from the user's perspective in a new tab. If you wish to invite specific individuals to view your form, you can enter their email addresses in the Invite by Email field provided. Additionally, you can share your form on social media platforms such as X, Facebook, and LinkedIn to reach a wider audience. To make it even more convenient for users to access your custom ordering site, you can generate and download a QR code. Sharing this QR code will allow others to scan it and install your app or form on their mobile devices. If you want to embed your form into a website, simply navigate to the Embed section in the left menu. Click on the Copy Code button to copy the code provided, which can then be embedded into any website of your choice. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. You can also watch my Jotform tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching and take care.